calling?
Yeah, we're talking about that girl was playing guns.
Yes. You in the vehicle with her?
Yeah.
Okay. Where was y'all coming from?
We were actually coming from.
I was trying to get go towards first coming from Troy and Euclid. First trying to go towards downtown way. First trying to go over. She would not let me over. Then she went with like this with her phone. And then the boy in the back seat, he pointed fucking gun.
He pointed a gun at you.
He pointed a gun. There's the car. There's the car.
I know we're out here with them now.
And they followed you from where?
They followed
from the Steel Yard wraparound.
Steel Yard wraparound.
That's when she did her phone like that, and then we were keep going.
I kept going.
And then they zoomed in front of us.
They stopped on the middle of the freeway.
They stopped on the middle of the freeway. And then we got on the side of them. The two dudes in the backseat rolled their windows down and did this with the guns. And I seen they had a long extended clip.
Both of them.
Yeah, and it looked like a 9mm.
And y'all don't know them at all? They had no problems with nobody?
Okay. In my life for nothing.
Would y'all be willing to press charges if we go and arrest these gentlemen here?
Yes.
Okay, give me a phone number for you.
Turn the car off in that black Camry. Pull your window down. Black Camry, pull your window down.
Floating with borders.
Put your hands out the window. Driver, put your hands out the window. Passengers, put your hands out the window. Tell them to put their hands out the window. How many's in the car, sir? How many's in the car? 3? Front passenger, put your hands out the window. Tell that passenger put his hands up on that dashboard. Tell the one in the back to put his hands on the back seat. Put some hands up in the air, high. Don't move.
Yep.
Driver, put your right hand, open up that door. Put your right hand, keep the other hand out. Put your right hand on that driver's door, keep the other hand outside. And come out that car. Keep them hands up. Walk back. Put them hands sky high, man. Put them sky high. Walk back. Back.
Now walk back toward
Bring it back. Stop. Start walking to your left. Stand by there. We'll get this together.
Somebody with the female? Negative. She was on a white Volvo on the roadway.
One door.
Let's get a touch never stab. Any weapons on you I need to know about?
It was by door 1. They pulled up by there.
Put your left hand back here. Drop that. Drop that. Put your left hand back here. Put your right hand back here. Put your palms together.
Passenger, with your right hand, open that door, and step out of that car. Put them hands up. Put them hands up. Up. Put the hands up. Keep walking.
Walk straight back, straight back, straight back.
Wait, so I'm gonna go try to find a female.
Black female. She got a brown, like starter type jacket on, braids.
How many
The
else
white
is
male
in that car?
driver. So it's dirty, white bull.
You know, Chris.
she's on the lower level? They were on the upper level. Repeat? They were on the upper level.
Passenger, keep those hands up.
He's on crutches.
Okay, no problem.
You want your hands visible. Up, up, up. There you go. Keep them up. I clear the car.
Why can't you walk? I mean, why are you on crutches? What happened? Okay, you need? Okay. All right. What we're going to do is, do you have any weapons? Okay, how about in the car? Not to your knowledge?
I don't have no weapon. I don't have no weapon. I don't even.
Or did he say upper or lower?
Okay. Upper level.
Thank you.
Okay, what I'm going to do is, okay, we're going to help out support you. Okay? We're going to sit you on the ground. Okay, but I'm going to put
I can't sit on the ground. I got to sit on the car right now.
Okay, I got you.
You think they have them where? And why do you think they have them?
Come look at them. Let's have them dual four. Alright, those are position clock. One male and a gun. And I think beautiful four and reported gun.
So you told me I'm aware of a gun.
We handle this at the first district.
Driver's ID and privileges and right cops.
Double lock it so they don't tighten up those.
Yeah, the first was en route. I don't know if they were following us or not. Radio call said the first district was looking for this female.
We'll check on the back seat area.
I believe it happened on the freeway, so the first will handle it at the outcome.
Yep. Firearm.
They found the fire on the radio. Let me get that.
Clip. Almost like that.
I copy.
Okay. Right there. Are there any other weapons in this vehicle?
I don't know. I come back.
Do we have a car with the vehicle? Yeah, there was a female.
We got the car stuff here.
Can we have a supervisor? Why not?